Upper House by Koichi Takada Architects in South Brisbane, Australia. The architectural form of Upper House draws inspiration from the Moreton Bay Fig, with architectural roots taking us on a journey from our ancient past at its base, up to the future of vertical living. Topped with biodiverse outdoor areas, well-being retreat and social hub, Upper House addresses what is referred to as connection deficit, says architect Koichi Takada. Upper House in South Brisbane, Australia, is a multi-residential project by Koichi Takada Architects and delivers 188 apartments, over 33 stories. The expressive architectural form drew inspiration from native flora and signals a new era in urban multi-residential design, where connection to nature, quality of design, resident well-being, and environmental sustainability align. It is the first completed collaboration between Koichi Takada Architects and Aria Property Group, and the architecture celebrates Brisbane's natural beauty and relaxed urban lifestyle, punctuating the city skyline with a natural timber pergola and tropical rooftop oasis, progressive well-being amenities, as well as a 5-story indigenous artwork at the building's podium. We understand the importance of acknowledging our rich history in Australia, home to the oldest known civilization on Earth. The 5-story artwork on the building's facade was conceived as a way to contribute a valuable narrative to the urban landscape, and the work of Indigenous artist, Judy Watson, tells stories of our nation's first people, says Takada. Upper House is situated across the Brisbane River from the city's CBD, and began as a vision to celebrate the natural beauty Brisbane is renowned for, while catering to the collective and individual well-being needs of its residents. The multi-residential tower is the first of its kind, with a double-story wellness club and resident facilities called Upper Club that span 2 premium rooftop floors. Over 1,000 square meters of world-class amenities are designed to foster interaction, build a sense of community, and enhance well-being. Amenities include an infinity pool, spa, saunas, fitness club, yoga studio in and amongst mature tropical landscaping, as well as work-from-home facilities, lounge bar, cinema, private dining, and wine cellar. Responsible design decisions see the Upper House built and operating in accordance with the firm's progressive ESG principles. The building is targeting 5-star Green Star rating and achieved an 8.4-star NatHERS rating. 3,544 native and tropical plantings were selected for their ability to thrive in the local climate and ensure a resilient ecosystem that adds vitality to the rooftop setting. Layers of foliage insulate, reducing reliance on artificial heating and cooling. Rainwater harvesting in a 40 kL rainwater tank irrigates all plantings. A 30 kilowatt solar array powers communal spaces, and 100% green energy powers the tower. Further, residents car share 2 electric vehicles, and the building is equipped with 60 e-vehicle charging stations, and is ready for 100% e-vehicles in the future. High-rise lifestyle has become detached and disconnected from the community, from nature, from one another. With Upper House we are looking to challenge that and establish a new model for vertical living that is, at its foundation, about connection, says Koichi Takada.